In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block someone on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser, then go to chess.com website, and once you've done that, first of all, make sure you are signed into your chess.com profile. Once you've done that, the easiest way to block someone is just get to their profile page. On chess.com, any user has its own chess.com profile page, and let's say we would like to block that user. To do that, just click at their username and then click right here at their username again to go to their profile page. Once you are in here, click at more and then block. It asks you, are you sure you want to block this user? To continue, click at yes. In any time, you can unblock any user from their profile. Just click at the unblock button just underneath their profile picture. If you would like to find all the users you have blocked, click at settings and then blocking. That's where you can find all the blocked users, and from here you can also block any user. Just enter in that search field their username, or also we can unblock any previously blocked users by clicking at unblock. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.